telling my son a minute to come out the car. You know what I noticed? Y'all little dog shits always want to be involved in everything, but y'all really play, and I told you I take shit off the internet. Y'all don't see by now that I really take shit off the internet. I'm not y'all that y'all argue with people and then y'all buddy up with them and be friends afterwards after they put dicks in y'all children's mouth and shit. And then when I play back now, when I get niggas to line y'all up differently, y'all want to cry creep. Y'all want to say, oh, Monique is taking it too far. Oh, Monique is crazy. Oh, Monique is this. That shit is wild to me. Here we go. Father fucker Puss now. Father fucker Puss that is a grown-ass 50-year-old that's looking for a home, that thought it was funny. Then now, like I said, we wouldn't even sit up now. Let's baga TV put it up, you know. Me now watching, you know. You see me go up on a live and me see, you know, me walk out of the live because you know irrelevant. So when this big pussy black bitch Puss at England where I run down because now you hear say you must say I call Queenie phone down or whatever. And you're in the comments. Yesterday I see you write like 32 blood clot comments. 32 fucking comments. Just dip on my body, dip on my body, dip on my body, dip on my body. Man, you say first you play with my dead man name, you know, because you and diarrhea argue, I'm going to take your side, you know. The day I come by your life, you have no cola up there, no cola up there. I look by you and I say, Puss, tell that lady that to stop calling me name. Because she have my daughter up on her page. But true, she put up your pitney them and your grandpitney them. I say y'all tell lies, so I start talking about your kids, you type that. I start talking about your pitney them. No, the whole internet was talking about your grown-ass kids. The whole internet saw when I went on the live that day. Yeah, went on the live that fucking day, and I told you, tell that bitch stop calling my name over here, bitch. You started hyping up your motherfucking self and talking about my dead man because you was in your fucking feelings. Plus, I told you weeks ago, I've been finished with you. But I know it hurts because niggas is rugrats, right? But you dying for a place as a 50-year-old woman on the internet. I open my voice, I go viral. Why you not go live with Queenie and make sure give you some blood clot sign? Why you don't go on the internet and tell everybody how your father fucked you and they say your first child is by your father and how you was fighting off your mother for his hood. And after the mother took you out of the home, you went back to go live with your father to give him pussy. That's what you need to talk about. Say, yeah, me crazy, you know. But I'm crazy and I have principles. I'm crazy, but I have sense. I'm crazy that 50 years old, I will never be on the fucking internet doing this shit. I'm crazy, but I will never be 50-something and have to catch with my grown-ass kids. How it go, Puss? I blocked you on everything and you still on my dick. But I told you, I see like you like to play in niggas' face. You like to play in niggas' face. But I keep telling you, I will never be a 50-something. I am a rugrat. I'm 38 and I got more shit than you will ever motherfucking have. Me a rugrat, you're right. Yes, am I 5 feet to them? I'm born to them father. I'm married in a blood clot wedlock. And them grow up in a happy home. And they know what it is to have a mom. That is a mom and a dad. I never fucked my father. My father, I would go inside. You could go inside. That's what I told you. I don't want you in here. Mister, everybody I ignore you. All the way I ignore you. Y'all walk from post to post to post. The other day when you say, me and Queenie argue, you beg her for bomba clot add you. She not add you. Then you know what me do? The next day, you class her in the comments. Me make sure me screenshot them too, because you did a class her. Then the same Queen, you know, will go in your yard back in the days and tell you to come outside and fight. But you're not a bad girl. Couldn't come outside and fight and under the same age group. Suppose you want war with blood clot me? Me come to England and kick out your fake blood clot teeth them again. Remember good now, me no look for you from the day Mr. Diary go so. And Diary play the live. And say you fuck your father, and people I say are true. And say you go over Raga Shanti. And say your father is hood are the best hood you ever take. And all them fuck you up, and them say you set up your baby father forget murder. Because him did I go find out, say your father breed you, and the child where you give him man is really your daddy one. And all your teeth them lick out, and you look like rat bat. Hey, you want me to keep going? Do you want me to keep going? You don't see me up here, you know, mind. You get up every day, you have to call my name Puss, because me always a blood clot happen. Your time up. Your time up. It finished. It done. We don't give a fuck about title. I got titles in real life, Puss. You 50-something years old laying on a fucking couch. You're hanging out a whole bunch of bitches that rub you. You see with me? It's a once a nigga disrespect me or a girl disrespect me, you group up with 10 girl will push out in your grand pitney them and your pitney them mouth and laugh up with them when people start rub your team back up with them. Not a girl, yeah. Me a bad girl in a real life, Puss. Puss, you just walk and beg blood clot friend. Remember say you did I call me niece, because I call your sister my mother. Right? Remember good now? Remember when me all meet you, your sister no want to deal with blood clots you in a mama. Because you are germs. And when me here say you want to fight your mother over her hood, over your father hood, where your skin or pussy in a wash in front of your daddy. Remember say the man where you're there will come for the internet. And me I listen to your man voice. I say, yo, you're not got beard. You need to got beard, man. I say your pussy stick. Hold on. Watch how me I get your vex now. Let me show you how me kill you. Because I say, I don't really know your business now. The other day I look for Diary and I say, Diary, I want to cuss out your blood clot. And Diary say, leave me alone, money. I don't want to hear. I don't want you to say nothing to me. I say, Diary, you know, sir. I don't know, Tanya mother for come, because Tanya love rub Uni, you know. Tanya love rub Uni and blood clot England, you know. I don't know who know Eastside Queen page there for me. Somebody send Eastside Queen, Tanya the land. Because Tanya love rub out to the blood clot, you know, the needs, you know. Because I want to make sure, because the voice recording me here, Puss, me here, you go, I tell you, for go wash your pussy. I can't relate. So now through me have good, fat, clean pussy. You never, good, clean pussy, you know. Me have clean pussy, you know, Puss. When man fuck me, they stay here, they live here, they don't want to fucking move. But I tell you now, Puss, when the last time you see your belly, you say your belly blood clot, big watch out. This is belly flat, and this is pussy fat. Wait, look like me I put hole in my clothes from me. Watch it. But watch your Puss. You can't do that and blood clot beat me. Your time is done, nigga. Everybody wash. From you fuck your father, you lose. From you fuck your father, you lose. None of us out here I fuck with daddy Puss. Everybody ignore you. You eat all of the young hot girl them. You eat all of the... Hey, right now, Munchie can't sleep in a piece of bumbo clock. Me not even know. Me just want somebody find Eastside Queen for me. Somebody find Tanya. Somebody find Tanya for me. But one thing, bitch, you must be new here. Because me, one thing, no girl can ever come from internet and say my house dirty. You look a fuck out. As a matter of fact, you have to go all a block to know, mama, because you're too blood clot, typey, bitch, on your fake page. Come back for another one. Me not stay like Puss. Just come through my call, put, yeah, tagging Munchie for me, please. Because I don't really want Munchie and Eastside Queen, I want. Because them she really know. Because I want to confirm that. No, Bobrisky lower, allow them to argue with them. Yeah, you can tell the new people them. None of them fuck out y'all can size up with me because anytime he come up in my yard, in my blood clot yard, everything always clean from 2019 till now. So we not argue with them and prove nothing to them. Yes, call your that Munchie, your cousin Munchie. I need Eastside Queen Tanya. Tell Tanya to come here, please, if she not busy. Cause you, when me type in too much people, but me know some follow Tanya. But it now me see her. How it go? How it go fuck out Puss? Cause this what you want to know. True, none of we not pay in mind. You want answer we, so you can sit down and say 7 days and 7 nights and 40 days and you're still fucking homeless. You're homeless. You are a grown ass 50-year-old homeless woman. You're homeless. You stole all your whole fucking life. Them say you fuck for fish. Them say you go to supermarket and thief onion and tomato. Me don't know about them life, them woman. But you see the thing is with you, because you see the other day when you put up King picture, I never really respond to you, know. I make you put up my son picture. Because my son dad. I'm my son picture. I never give a fuck. You have to go low, bitch. Remember, you hanging on the live with bitches that put dicks in your kid's mouth. You on the live that niggas that expose you, Puss. Every time there's a conversation, you're always in the middle. You on everybody's phone. Yeah, Nicola did tell me to. Nicola said one time he did call her and tell her don't go on the live with Diary. But you see true, me know Diary, and you know me didn't know Diary first, and you know Seminar Tech program. Yeah, my wife tell me. My wife said there was a time you called her and told her don't go on the live with Diary. Don't go on those live. You can't control shit out here, you fat, swarty, gorilla face looking bitch. I'm a chimpanzee. You a gorilla, nigga. You like the silverback, nigga. You don't get featured in the front. We gotta put you in the back on high alert security because y'all can't be trusted. That's how that shit work with you, Puss. How many times I'm gonna have to put you in your place? You a grown-ass woman that stole her entire life. You gotta take classes and you still ain't got shit. I've never seen you driving a fucking car. Yes, I drive Uber. I can't sell. I can't let niggas fuck me for $60 and fuck me for a fish because there's certain things. Yeah, one can call me man taker, so good. I fuck man with money. You don't see the things? Oh, I'm married on paper. I did a call one man when me there with for 3.5 years my husband. Oh, I know me there with Dewey. What can y'all say about me? Remember, say me a chimpanzee, you know, in the front of the zoo, one in the back. Right now, I tell you if you come up all the time. Puss, the other day, your picture alone, remember, I'm black, you know. The other day, I put up a picture with you with no filter, and you're really, you know, you're weird, you know. Okay, Caribbean. That's why I tell you I fuck with Pink. I just had to tell Dewey I fuck with Pink. Puss, you over there talking about you was on the phone with Queenie. I fuck with Pink. I just had to get off the phone with Dewey and said, Dewey, I'm fuck with Pink. Pink is not like her. Pink not like her. Then soon as you say Pink now and flip over there, you are running for Pink and you do anything for clout and you're panicking because nobody not talk about you. Mama, the day when you did that quick, you beg Queenie for blood clot, and you know what me do? The next day, me over there dead with laugh because you never get on. The next day, you start class her up in the comments. I am never friends with my enemy. I would never want a bitch could never. Remember, Queenie came to your house ready to beat your ass. You ain't come outside. You didn't come outside. They said she and Cutie was at your door. You was on live. I'm going, no, you can't come on my house. But on a bad. Puss, how you bad and you make Cutie and Queenie have you run up and down in the house, mama. You said the other day when you play with me dead nigga, Puss, I already know that I'm a bitch that intimidates y'all hoes. I mean, y'all been on the internet for years talking about your picture the other day. I ignored you. I ignored you, Puss, when you put up my son picture. I did. I sure the fuck did. I ignored the fuck out of you. I ignored the fuck out of you. First, you put up my nigga picture because I was defending my daughter until you and them did one group up. The same people will put dicks in your kids, them out your weak fence. Me tell you, say on a Power Rangers. Me a Avenger. Me a Captain Blood Clot America. You know, sister, them get updated every year. How about one? You follow me from pillar to post, from everywhere. Me, I like, no, me not look by you, cause from me hear you, from I heard you fuck your father, Puss, there's nothing I could say. I don't know what it is for my father to fuck me, nigga. I didn't grow like that. My daddy grew me up in love. When I seen them teeth out before you got the T-Mo teeth, like Diary said, you look like a fucking rat bat. The other day I looked at Diary, I said, Diary, if I ever knew this lady real foul, I would have never fuck with her. And I only showed you respect because I fuck with your sister. So always God. Pink wasn't even fucking with you like that when I met you. Maria, time I respect, I'm in love Pink to the ground. She's nothing like you. Yeah. You're a waste. You don't even have paperwork, nigga. You can't even fly out. You can't even move. You've been stealing your whole fucking entire life. When you put up my son picture the other day, you wanted me to clap back, and I said, I'm going to watch you. 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 But now when Pink is over there cussing Dewey, getting her shine, now you want to cam up in Momo because nobody give a fuck about you. You don't get no view. You got 10K or 11K followers, and you can't even get 50 good likes without fucking makeup on. You out there cocking up your ass every night and got to take classes to get money from the government. I don't know what that is. You're a babysitter full time, not because you're a grandmother, because you need a place to stay in your daughter's house at 50-something. When my mother died, I took care of her. When my mother came and moved in my house, I got her her own place. I paid for every fucking medication she needed. She had no paperwork, so she couldn't depend on the government. How it go? Why you ain't tell Flip that your father fucked you and you went on Raga Shanti and said that was the sweetest hood you ever got in your life? Huh?
Gotcha.
Why you never told her that? Why you ain't tell Flip that? Yeah, I'm a crazy, the world knows I'm a fucking man. But I'm controlled. I'm a mother, bitch, to 5 kids. They said you grew rapists. You grew sons that are rapists. I never said that about your kids. You telling niggas I said things about your kids. I'm glad there was, and you know why you sound stupid? Remember, there was niggas on the live that saw how this all started with you, Puss. So now you're being weird. So you're a 50-year-old liar too. I told you y'all niggas can't be trusted. From I heard a nigga, Hugo said your pussy stink on the live, bro. When I heard that recording, I said, Diary, I want to cuss out your blood clot. And them people here, you have me cock up with you, I call auntie. Me don't know what it is so my father fuck me, dog. Me don't know what it is to breed from a father. And then when your mother take you out of the house, Puss, you move back in and started a relationship with your dad, bro, and breed for him. You went on Raga Shanti and told that story. When I go on interviews, I talk about rape and molestation. You wanted to use a fucked up situation for clout. We not the same. Why is this motherfucker taking off her wig?
Jesus.
Why y'all wanna play with me when y'all real life is fucked up? That's what I don't get. Why y'all be trying to size up with me that come over here and talk her real life? I never told y'all I drive Uber, bitch. That's why I stay in this car. You always on the couch on live every fucking day. 50-something years old. You taught your children to scam. Then you gave them fucking credit card fraud. You fucked up their name in the housing system. You have rapist sons because they didn't have a proper mother. You uneducated bitch. I told you when you read comments, it's like this. Them fi LiQWYD Momo shit too. What that was too lie and wicked. So weird shit they go back more.
Why can't we all just get along?
Weird talk good. No man.
I sent my cousin the live though. She said she's gonna join in a second. She doing something.
I tell her I need Eastside Queen name, really. That's who I want.
Eastside Queen.
I'll munch if you see her bunny for munch. Good girl when in our house with her picnic them every day and I run. We all like ignore oh no. I hear you as a big woman the other day when we start to ignore you. Yeah, oh no no. Oh, I win. How the fuck gonna win? Cause internet argument?
I don't know like fuck up in a real life. How you for go a rock a shot can say your father would have the sweetest food ever?
We instead of we just
How it go?
we just
Remember this is
we tight. We
documented and recorded. Me beat to know with truth. On a lie for me. On always a lie for me. Me used to it now. Oh, you go back. Oh, are they saying that when you breed for your father, you try to your next man and him dead? On a call Tanya over here. East side queen. How it go?
we tight. We
How
just
it go? Let's
tight.
talk about it, bitch. The time you worry about my pussy, my dead man, my ugly son, me